should this be a baddie look or a party look? Well, oh my gosh, I got this palette and it's so colorful, and I'm thinking what could I do to kind of like use most of those colors without looking like too much. But maybe this is too much. I don't know. You guys have to let me know if you guys think this is too much. I think from this palette maybe I would have used 2 colors, and I really wanted to use the pink, but then when I looked, anyway, I'm skipping ahead of myself. I need to be opening the box with you, and I just went straight to the eye makeup look. So Jan's journey. Thank you for selecting this video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my unboxing for Boxycharm. Are you excited for this month? The theme is already crazy as it is life of the party, and it's going to be bright. And I don't think we should focus on the colors. I think we should focus more on the items inside. They better be bright, and life of the party meaning items that I'm going to be using and I'm going to be loving, and items that are going to wow me. I don't know if you know about this, the Boxyluxe. They're going to have 2 different type of subscriptions. They're going to have the regular one, the standard one, which is $21 a month. And they're going to have the Boxyluxe, which is going to be, I'm going to put the amount because I really don't want to give you the wrong amount, which is going to be a little bit more than the Boxycharm subscription, but the value of it is going to range up to $300, or it could exceed $300, the value of it. So, and the box is almost twice as big. I'm going to be showing you a picture too in case you're interested. I think that's starting next month, so you have to sign up. I'm going to be putting that too in case you're interested, because if you sign up, they will let you know and keep you updated with spoilers and more information about it, since that's a separate thing, since it's going to be a different price. So this theme, like I said, is life of the party, and it's so pretty inside. It is like the life of the party. And this month I noticed, I don't know, maybe it was just me on Instagram, it felt like they were promoting really a lot the items that we were getting. So this is how it looks like inside. And I don't know, I'm gonna let you know at the end if I'm really happy with this box. Of course, $21 should not be so bad, but I go based more on are these items that I'm gonna be using. The reason why I canceled Boxycharm last year was because sometimes I will only use 1 item, sometimes 2, and some of the items I kept getting either items I kind of like half bought or I can do without. So recently I subscribed and I activated my account, and I've been getting the box. So this month so far, I calculated on the prices, it goes up to 108 is the value. One of the first items is the Becca. This is the Becca First Light priming filter. I really don't want to open it because I was debating if I was going to keep it, but now I might exchange it with somebody else, because I don't know, I do like Becca's products, and in fact I have large pores, and I had issues for so long to fix the pores, and I tried primers, I tried different products, and nothing really worked. When I went to Sephora, finally somebody was there to help me, and that gave me really good advice and gave me a product that really worked for me, and it was the other Becca primer for large pores. OMG, the way you apply that, it really hide the pores. It was one of those products that I really enjoy. But because I changed my skincare routine, I noticed that I don't have that problem anymore, or not as much like it was before. So I can do without this. I have a few other items that I really don't even use because I don't really like that glow. So I might be exchanging this. But this Becca priming First Light priming filter, the cost of this is it varies. It goes from $15 to $18, and this one retails for $22. Bang Beauty, and it says it's a chocolate eyeliner. That's interesting. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. To be honest with you, when I saw it, I actually thought it was just for the eyebrows, and I think I'm going to be using this for the eyebrows because It's funny how today I was looking for a product like this and to work more for the eyebrows, and I think it's a really pretty color. I think it was last year we got this from the Brow Gal. So I've been using that, but I feel like I really need a good, so it is very creamy, and I feel like it does give a nice tone there. So I'm excited to use this product. NCLA. This is for you to apply to your cuticles and your nails, and is a vitamin that you're applying to your skin, to your nails. Oh, it smells pretty good. This is a cute routine to add to your nails. I think I will do this at night. So that's $18. Next, we have the Wonder Bag Claim Gold Eye Mask. This is a very famous, and I know a lot of people are happy about these masks. Yeah, this retails for $13, and I really love that it already has some ingredients that I really like, and I actually put on my skincare routine. I do like the aloe and the lavender, so I'm liking that. And this one retails for $13. Next, we got this one, the Party Animal. As I talk about this palette, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial how I did this eye makeup look. The colors are, a lot of them, I thought they were all matte, but two of them, these two, are shimmer. So I'm going to swatch them real quick. Look how pretty the yellow is. This one is called, this one is Asa Party Damage Control Karaoke. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Dranks is the orange one. And Bottoms Up is for the pink one. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. They are really, really pretty. So pigmented. And Hungover is the purple one. Oh, that is so pretty. These colors are really, really pretty. The palette is called Party Animal, and those are the 6 shades that it brings. This palette retails for $19, and I love that. Even though it's really small, it comes with a mirror. I love that because when I'm traveling, I enjoy taking a palette with me that has a mirror. I apply the makeup in the plane. So they are so pretty, and they feel so soft too, and buttery. I think this is really nice. Guys, I got this from the Tribe Beauty Box, and I'm not really into wipes because they do kind of sometimes irritate my skin, but lately I've been playing with some of the products here, and instead of just cleansing my face, I've been using those wipes, and they're pretty soft on my skin. I don't know if you have tried that brand for the wipes before. Okay, so that one retails for $19. Then the last item that I received is from Smashbox. This look, I only share part of it, and then on the bottom I just put a little bit of that orange, and then I continue with that blue. At the end of the border, I put the one that has a little bit of shimmer, and I just put on some falsies, and that's how I finished this eye makeup look. For the Smashbox, this one, it says assorted lip products. Each person got a different one, maybe a different type and a different shade. So the one I got, and the prices vary. Some will be $21, some will be $24 from Smashbox. Mine is called Mauve Squad. Be Legendary Liquid Metal Rouge A. I love how even the inside of the packaging continues with the shade. So creative. Oh, that is so cute. So I'm gonna try it on. I'm actually wearing the lipstick I got from my last box. Is this one from Ofra, and I'm loving this shade. It's called Verona because it's like so neutral, and I wanted to have something soft because of the eye makeup look, but I don't think this is gonna go. So I'm just gonna swatch it. That is so. 6 items on this box. If you're interested of more of signing up to subscribing to Boxycharm, I'm going to provide the information in the description box. I'm going to provide more information about it, if they charge shipping, or more information also the Boxyluxe. So if you're interested in getting a big box with almost $300 worth of good makeup, I'm going to provide that so you can sign up and you don't miss out in case. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I hope you like this eye makeup look. I think it's kind of like out there, but I'm like, you know what, I can't play it safe. Let me just try that palette and see how it goes. And this is what I did. So I don't know, was it a little too wild and crazy? I don't know. You let me know. So if you want me to see your unboxing and what you received for this month, provide that in the comment section so I could go check it out, and other people watching this video could check it out too. So yeah, let's support each other and see what everybody got and how you, and see if you have tried out those products. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.